Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a very basic Affinity tutorial, but it's something designers do all the time. We are going to fade an image to transparent so we can blend it with another image behind it or with a background color. So if you are designing something and need to fade out an image, this is how to do it. So let's begin. Here's what I've got. Two images and the background color. The first image, which is at the very top of the layers panel, is the one I'm going to apply the fading transparency to. The second image and the background color are the elements that will blend with the first image after I apply the fading transparency. I'm going to hide them first and unhide the first image. So I'll click the first image to select it, then I'll come down here and click Layer Mask. Now you can see a layer mask appear here. Make sure the mask is selected, not the image itself, but the mask. Then come over here and select the Fill tool. The Fill tool is not only used to apply gradient colors to objects, but when the mask is selected, it also becomes a fading transparency tool. All I need to do is simply click anywhere on the image where I want it to start disappearing, then drag to the endpoint where it should become completely transparent. Release it, and we can see two stops here. The first stop is 100% visible, and the second stop is 100% transparent. The area between the two stops are now gradually fades out. I can also slide the midpoint marker to adjust the transparent area between the two stops. Now if I unhide the second image, we can see it gradually appear and blend with the first image. Let me hide it again and reveal the background color. Now we can see the first image gradually fade into the background color. If I go to the context toolbar, I'll see the type option is currently set to linear. I can change it to another type, let's say radial, and now you can see the transparent area surrounds the image. You can experiment with the other types to find the one that best matches your design. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. Leave me a comment if you have anything to ask. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!